How to add someone on Google Chat. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add someone on Google Chat. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Google Chat. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Google Chat, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to tap on this new message option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you'll have to search or type that name or email of that person whom you want to add on Google Chat. So I can search them by their email or name. So after you search them, you'll have to open it, and from here you'll have to click on done just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you can easily make conversation on that person on the Google Chat. So this is the easiest and simplest method to add someone on Google Chat. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.